Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I light the Artisan proQ smoke generator. And this one's looking a little bit grubby. I've been using it quite a lot and it needs some cleaning, but there's a separate video for that. I'll leave a link in the description and that'll show you how you can clean it and keep it like new. In the meantime, let me show you how I light this thing.
Well, first things first, before I even start loading it, I make sure it's sitting on a metal tray. And in this instance, I'm using a lovely fine beech dust. And we want to try and get this beech dust into all the corners and across the whole surface area of the smoke generator. And of course we want to fill this up right to the very top. We don't want it half full. If it's only filled half full, it's a high likelihood this thing will go out. So I'm now going to scrape off some of the excess because we don't want it piled too high, and we want to be able to see that wire maze so that we don't get any burn across. And as a precaution, I run my finger across that so that we get rid of any excess. So we're now going to light it. Now I use a blowtorch. When you buy one of these smoke generators, they come with a tea light, which I find very difficult to handle, especially when it's hot. Now it only requires around about 30 seconds of flame on it to get going. Different woods perform slightly differently. Beech, I find, is a very reliable wood and it doesn't tend to go out. Once the flames have died down and you have the smoke generator lit, you can then place it onto the base of the smoker. Now in this case I have a metal base in this smoker, so I don't need to sit it on a tray, but if yours is a wooden base or combustible, you will need to sit this smoke generator on a tray. And we can now cold smoke.
Well, I hope you liked the video. If you've got any comments, please do leave them in the comments section of the video. And if you like the video, please do give us a like, subscribe, click the bell icon so you get notified when we upload new content. In the meantime, folks, take care and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.